Hey guys, and today I want us to wake up and smell the coffee. You know, imekuwa 60 years since independence, and time independence ni bababu wetu walipatiwa mashamba, you know, big tracts of land that they have been giving to us through succession over the years. Lakini tupige hesabu surely. Through all those 60 years, generations have come and increased. Sahi we are about 56 million Kenyans. Hizi mashamba tumegawiwa. The next minute utapata sasa unapatiwa kapasel kadogo. So, sahi, every single person needs to be intentional about investing in land. Sahi hauna mtu wa kukupatia shamba, itabidi umejinunulia we mwenyewe. So, kila siku ukifanya mahesabu zako, are you asking yourself, where am I going to reside or live in for the rest of my life? Kama umengojea kupatiwa shamba kule uta, unakosea. So please be intentional about it. Kuja hapa Fanaka Real Estate and we'll show you some prime products zenye tuko nazo upate mahali pa kuishi.
Fanaka Real Estate, your ideal real estate partner.